Those are beatings. Why do you beat a prisoner? Because you are too lazy to interrogate him. These lazy security people think that the criminal must admit. No, even if he doesn't admit, but you bring the facts, the court will convict him. The use of torture is unnecessary and wrong, and must not be used again if it was being used, as I see some groups claiming in the media. Your opponents, first of all, you create permanent enmity between you and the people who support him, or his family, or his relatives. How will you reconcile with them to have killed somebody illegally? The people have been opposing us. We just fight them politically. That's why Uganda has no refugees. Uganda of NRM has no refugees. When we came in 1986, there were 500,000 Ugandans in exile in Sudan, South Sudan, and in Congo. That beating, somebody can say, yes, please don't beat me, I admit. When in fact, he's not the one. But because of fearing beating, he just admits. So what does that mean? It means that the real criminal is not arrested.